Hi everyone, this is Dr. Raymond Rofi in this video tutorial for the 4.7 version of the BlueSkyPlan software and the Crown and Bridge module. Okay, so this is the fourth video of our tutorial, and now we're doing the define interproximal area. Okay, so we imported the models, then we marked the margin. After we set the insertion direction of the restoration within the preparation. Okay, so what we need to do is hold shift and then with the left mouse button, click and drag it. So you hold it in order for you to mark the interproximal surfaces. So as you can see, we have a bar here. We have a sliding bar which will increase the diameter of marking area, as well as if we hold the shift button and we scroll back or forth the mouse wheel, it will allow us to to increase or decrease the area diameter. Okay, so again, we'll hold shift, hold and press the left mouse button and draw our interproximal surface. That's it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.